When the summer heat becomes relentless, finding creative ways to stay cool can turn into a fun and rewarding project. Imagine crafting your own mini air conditioner using nothing more than a simple fan and a frozen bottle of water. Not only is this solution budget-friendly, but it's also easy to assemble with everyday household items. Let's explore how this clever DIY hack can help you beat the heat and keep your space refreshingly comfortable. Begin by gathering the essentials: a small desk fan, a sturdy plastic bottle, and access to a freezer. The type of fan doesn't matter much. Any compact portable fan will do. For the bottle, a 1-liter size works well, but you can experiment with larger or smaller bottles depending on the space you need to cool. First, fill your plastic bottle with water, leaving a little bit of space at the top for expansion as the water freezes. Secure the lid tightly and place the bottle in your freezer. For best results, prepare the bottle a day in advance, ensuring the water is thoroughly frozen solid. If you want the cooling effect to last longer, consider using 2 bottles so you can rotate them as needed. Once your ice bottle is ready, set it on a shallow tray or a small bowl to catch any condensation as it melts. Place the bottle directly in front of your fan, positioning the fan so it blows air right over the frozen surface. As the fan operates, it draws in warm room air and passes it over the icy bottle. The air cools down as it moves across the chilled surface, creating a gentle, refreshing breeze that can noticeably lower the temperature in your immediate area. This simple setup is surprisingly effective, especially for personal cooling in bedrooms, home offices, or any small space where you need relief from the heat. The science behind it is straightforward. As the air passes over the ice, it absorbs the cold from the bottle, which in turn cools the air that's circulated by the fan. This process mimics the basic principle of how traditional air conditioners work, but on a much smaller scale and without the hefty electricity bill. To enhance the effect, try adding a pinch of salt to the water before freezing it. Salt lowers the freezing point of water, allowing the ice to get colder than usual and last longer. You can also experiment with different types of bottles, or even use a metal container, which tends to transfer cold more efficiently than plastic. While this DIY air conditioner won't chill an entire room like a commercial unit, it provides a focused zone of cool comfort, perfect for those times when you're working at your desk, lounging on the couch, or trying to fall asleep on a hot night. For extra fun, you can use colored bottles or add a few drops of essential oil to the water before freezing, gently infusing a pleasant scent as the ice melts. Cleanup is easy. When the ice has fully melted, simply refreeze the bottle for the next use. Keeping an extra bottle or 2 on hand ensures you'll always have a chilled one ready to swap in. This homemade cooling solution is not just practical, it's an engaging way to learn about thermodynamics and airflow. Plus, it's a great activity to share with kids, friends, or family members. In the sweltering days of summer, a DIY mini air conditioner can make all the difference, offering cool relief and a sense of accomplishment from building something useful with your own hands. So the next time the temperature rises, grab your fan and ice bottle and enjoy a refreshing breeze without breaking the bank.